Okay, let us continue from the line where we had left. Kavya Chaudhary and Pratisha Jivani, if I don't find your video, okay, let them join first. Continue, children. I am repeating the last line where we had ended. When France sneezes, Metternich once remarked, the rest of Europe catches cold. Full stop. Next point, the July uprising. The July uprising. Kavya Chaudhary, since you are not putting on your video, Pratisha Jivani, I am removing you, Kavya Chaudhary. As it is, you became the host in the previous class. So you are removed, mister. Last warning I am giving you, Kavya Chaudhary. Kavya Chaudhary. Mr. Kavya Chaudhary, may I speak to you? Kavya Chaudhary?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you become the host in the previous class? Tell me honestly, without lying.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, somebody has made the fake ID, ma'am. I have one photo.
Don't give me this stupid and lame excuses. Now it has become stale. That somebody you are using fake ID. Anyways, your ma'am is going to deal with you all.
Ma'am, I have the photo.
Ma'am, okay, anyways, video not on, you will not be there. Monish Kundrani, wait. Bhumi Gera, I am going to remove you, wait. When France sneezes, Metternich once remarked, the rest of Europe catches cold, full stop. Next point, the July uprising sparked an uprising in Brussels. An uprising in Brussels. Monish Kundrani, I am removing you also. I have removed just now. Just now I have removed Bhumi Gera because she is another one who's all the time I have to tell her again and again to put on your video, to put on your video. The July Revolution sparked an uprising in Brussels. Which led to Belgium breaking away, from the United Kingdom of Netherlands. From the United Kingdom of Netherlands. As per Treaty of Vienna, it was combined as together United Kingdom of Netherlands and Belgium. Now it broke away in 1830. Full stop. Greece, next point. Greece had been part of the Ottoman Empire. Greece had been part of the Ottoman Empire. Nationalism, full stop, nationalism. Anushka, video on. Nationalism in Europe led to a struggle for independence amongst the Greeks. In 1821. Sakshi Perti, I have to remind you again and again to put on a video. When I'm going to remove you, then you're going to understand. हटा दूं? Okay, हटा रही हूं मैं आपको. In 1821. Full stop. Nationalist in Greece were supported by, in Greece was supported by Greeks living in exile. Greeks living in exile, living in exile, as Greece was considered, as Greece was considered as the cradle, CRADLE, cradle of European civilization, as the cradle of European civilization. Full stop. Next point, the English poet. Lord Byron. See the spelling on the blackboard. The English poet, Lord Byron. Sakshi Petri, you're very fond of fiddling with your video again and again. The English poet Lord Byron organized funds to fight in the war, comma, where he died, where he died of fever in 1824, of fever in 1824, full stop. Continue. Finally, by the Treaty of Constantinople. Spelling on the blackboard. Constantinople. Finally, by the Treaty of Constantinople. In bracket 1832. Greece became an independent nation. Greece became an independent nation. Full stop. Next heading, subheading, romantic imagination and national feeling. Romantic imagination and national feeling. First point, write it down. Culture, comma, art, poetry, stories, and music. Played an important role in shaping nationalist feeling, nationalist feelings, oblique sentiments, for a dash, artists and poets criticized. Vedansh, put in a video, I'm going to remove you. Artists and poets criticized the glorification of reason and science, and emphasized on emotions, emphasized on emotion comma, intuition, 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 and mystical feeling, mystical, mystical feelings, comma, folk songs, folk songs, comma, poetry, comma, folk dances to create a sense of collective heritage, to create a sense of collective heritage as a basis of a nation, as a basis of a nation. Full stop. Next line, example. First example, right? First point, example. The second point, example. For a dash, the German philosopher, the German philosopher John Gottfried Herder. See the spelling, all of you? John, John. Gottfried, Gottfried. John Gottfried Herder, Herder. Spellings are there in the books also. So no need to make any spelling mistakes, children. John Gottfried Herder, 1744-1803, bracket close, claim that true German culture was to be discovered among the common people, put a dash, right, das Volk, DASVOLK, das Volk, the people, among the common people, full stop. Continue, next line, in the same point. It was through folk songs, comma, folk dances and folk poetry that true spirit of nation, in bracket write VOLKS, capital numerite VOLKS GEIST, Vogt, bracket close, was popularized. It was through folk songs, folk dances, folk poetry that true spirit of nation was popularized. Full stop. Next point. Emphasis was encouraged. Emphasis was encouraged on vernacular language. Vernacular, VERNACULAR, vernacular language, and the collection of local folklore, LORE, comma, not just to recover an ancient national spirit, but to carry modern nationalistic message message to large audiences, who were illiterate, full stop. Example, for a dash, right? Poland was partitioned. Poland was partitioned by Russia and Austria. Russia, Prussia, Prussia. Russia, Prussia and Austria, full stop. It no longer existed. It no longer existed as an independent nation. Yet national feelings were kept alive. Speed is okay, Chirayu? Okay. Yet national feelings were kept alive through music and language. Same point, right? Example. Karol Kurpinski. Karol Kurpinski, spelling is there on the board also as well as in your book also. Karol Kurpinski celebrated the operas and music, music and folk dances. Video is again of children, many of you. Hata do. Folk dances, put a dash. Polonize. Polonize. Polonize and mazurka. Mazurka. You are lying down or what? Ayesha, sote likh raha hai kya? Good. This is a class actually, which is conducted in the bedroom, I suppose. You are students. Okay. Polonize and mazurka into nationalist symbols. Radhika Vijay, since the video is on, Ekagar Bhatnagar, you are the one I'm going to just put you out of the class. Every now and then I have to remind you what. Samruddhi Vijay. Polonize and mazurka into nationalist symbols. Full stop. Next point. Language. Two played. Navya, video is not on. I'm removing you. Language two played an important role in developing nationalist sentiments. Full stop. After Russian occupation of Poland, Polish language was banned. Full stop. Russian was imposed everywhere. But members of the clergy used Polish language as a weapon as a weapon of national resistance. As a weapon for national resistance, comma, for church gathering and all religious instructions. For church gatherings and all religious instructions. Full stop. Last point for today. A large number of priests, and bishops were put in jail and sent to Siberia. Were put in jail and sent to Siberia, but the use of Polish was seen as a symbol of the struggle. Was seen as a symbol of struggle against Russian domination. Full stop. Here we are going to end, children. Your other class is going to start after this. Let me take your attendance. Okay, we are going to continue tomorrow onwards. No, tomorrow you don't have the class, I think. Saturday we'll be having Monday's timetable. So Saturday we are going to continue with this. Okay.